Let's get your data flowing again, starting with the most common culprit, the APN settings. Firstly, what exactly are APNs? Well, they're essentially the network's gateway to your phone. So they need to be set correctly. Let's make sure your access point name settings are accurate. Image description, screen recording, screen grabs of navigating to mobile network settings on an Android phone, followed by typing Mint Mobile APN details. Image description, screen recording, screen grabs of navigating to mobile network settings on an iPhone phone, followed by typing Mint Mobile APN details. On Android phones, navigate to your settings, then go to connections or mobile networks, and look for access point names on iPhones. Find this under cellular data network. In your cellular settings, you'll need to add a new APN profile using the Mint Mobile website or app. Double-check the correct APN details, which typically include settings. The website or app will give you the details to input, like the APN name, username, and password information. Once you've entered those, save your app settings and restart your phone. Secondly, check your data limits. Mint Mobile plans often have a capped amount of high-speed data, after which speeds are reduced. You may have simply reached your limit. Check your current data usage within the Mint Mobile app or on their customer service website. If you've exhausted your high-speed data, you may need to consider upgrading your plan, or you'll just have to deal with slower speeds for the rest of your billing cycle. Thirdly, it is possible that there may be a network outage. Although it's thankfully rare, Mint Mobile, like all carriers, experiences occasional network troubles. Check the Mint Mobile website for any reported outages in your geographical area. You can also reach out to their customer service. Lastly, it's important to check your device settings. Make sure your cellular data is enabled in your phone settings. Also, make sure airplane mode is off. Turning them off and on can help restore a connection. By working through these steps, you should be back online in no time. If none of these solve your issue, it's time to contact Mint Mobile customer support for more advanced troubleshooting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.